Okay, people, we know we have given us some news and some bagger. You see me, I say, and this involves somebody that wanted to fly to Jamaica after it was alleged that them slept with somebody's life, And it says wanted homicide suspect Brandon Swaby, 20 years old, was arrested this morning at the Fort Lauderdale, Florida airport. He was attempted to fly home to Jamaica. Boy. In Nashville, arrest warrant charging Swaby with criminal homicide in Tuesday murder of Christopher Brandon McCabe, 22, on Don Nelson Pike near the B&A entrance has been issued. Swaby will be held in the Broward County, Florida jail pending his return to Nashville. The investigation being led by Detective Myra Lies shows that McCabe of Gallatin, I never know if Gallatin was a real word, made in an arrangement through Facebook Marketplace on Monday to trade his BMW sedan for Swaby's Dodge Charger. On Tuesday, the BMW broke down on Don Nelson's Pike. McCabe drove to Don Nelson Pike in a relative SUV. A dispute reportedly ensued, with Swaby and McCabe was fatally shot inside the SUV. Swaby traveled to Atlanta at some point after the homicide. He flew this morning from Atlanta to Fort Lauderdale, where he was taken into custody by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection agents with assistance from federal partners. God damn. Boy, condolences to the family, but it seems like they try to sell Swaby a lemon, because it was trading a FM Dodge vehicle for the BMW, and the BMW broke down. And I guess he called homeboy to see what's up. And you know what happened, you know what I mean? Child know. Anyway, Dirty, Shanna Paul. And I don't really care what people say. I don't really care what Nah, people are playing with you. Yo, trust me. Sean Paul can't get a break, You see me, I say? From me know Sean Paul in the business, him can't get a break. And I'm talking about women that seems to be in a relationship, How it is when you're in this music business, you gotta perform. And sometimes it might not be appropriate to be dancing with, I guess, a female, as you know, being a man and the angel and crystal situation. But talking about Sean Paul, we know that Beyonce and him have a hit song together, and he wasn't allowed to dance with her at one time, even though they since was able to perform the song together. But Jay-Z said him no want Shanna Paul ruin him woman, you know what I mean? And it's not just a Jamaican thing. He does that to American men too, Chano. It's Hove, H to the O-V. I'm saying. But you know that him and Shenseea have a song together, so that means that they might forgo perform the song together. But we've seen how Shenseea snubbed him, whatever you want to call it, the night of her Alpha release party in Jamaica. You see me, I say, because the rumors is that she and London on the track are in a loving relationship together. And if we know anything about London, from Summer Walker, she says that he's very jealous. He's the jealous type. You see me, I say, and Shenseea wasn't having it, as she was swerving and curving Shanna Paul and Taurus Riley. But the Shenyang are saying that Sean Paul seems to be throwing words at Shenseea after he posted a video with himself dancing in front of 30,000 people. You see me, I say, and he made a caption saying this. This is how we do it on stage. Yes, Sean Paul, let them know all they do it on stage as a reggae dancehall artist, You see me, I say, and I'm sure it's just a harmful caption, but you know how it is out here on these social media streets. The social media detective fanatics them is very drama, you know what I mean? But yeah, putting out a comment section, because Sean Paul not afraid for talk to Shenseea. As he said, some of her lyrics and the things that she's doing is not really dancehall, But like I said, I'm just a messenger, people. Please don't crucify me unless you won't get no more messages. You see me, But anyway, speaking about Shenseea, it seems like she can't get her break herself and is on this dancing thing, you know. Because she did do some type of challenge that them always do on social media, some kind of challenge. Me don't know the name of it, no can't put the name in the comment section. But me read the caption for say what them must say, you know. Boy, but they dragging the ish out of her. I'm not gonna lie to you, the people them over the shade room dragging the ish out of her. But I think Shenseea seems to like it. I mean, let's be honest. Any type of attention she can get in America, she gotta take it. You see me, I say, I don't can read the comments right here. She said, I would say Lizzo won, but I worked hard to make this TikTok. So both. What you think? And that was in response to what the Shade Room said, you know. The battle is on, you know what I mean? And who do you think win the I Like challenge, you see me? And like I said, them ripping her. See, the Jamaican committee does not accept her dancing. You see me? I said somebody said she need for sashay and sit down. Somebody else said Lizzo was better. She actually did the challenge. These celebrities irritating me, thinking they can just do anything and let the name carry. Sis, what are you doing? This is not the dance. And somebody says she's the first Jamaican I ever seen that don't have no rhythm. And somebody responded, y'all can't have her. She not even a sing for we again. She sing for the Americans. Why? Cha. I don't know why Shenseea competing with Cardi B over who can get the most posts over the Shade Room, you know. You know what I mean? I don't know why she willing to take all of them disrespect from American people just to fit in. Shenseea just accepted that them not like you. They do not like you, you know what I mean? They're not accepting your music, whether it's good or bad, you know. As you can see, them not impressed with your performances, and they're getting on to you. They're catching wind that you're just a fake, you know, and think your pretty looks and bad character and your name can carry you. As you can see in the comment section, you see me, I say, I mean, not lie, people, it's not a good look for Shenseea because she can't even sell out a little school playground, you know what I mean? This is embarrassing, people. Nobody showed up to this event in Buffalo. You see? Buffalo, where I be snow and all of them things that are boring upstate. You mean for tell me, say, you couldn't bring out all of the Jamaica and them to come see you? That's showing that she don't really have a lot of pull power, you feel me? And this is a different event. We know that veteran artist, Mr. Vegas, was here. So we know a lot of those people were there to see Vegas, you know. You know what I mean? Because Vegas always a tour and all these things. So, I don't know if them acts will get on the bookings or the headline or whatnot. But, man, the performances are still dry, man. Like, I know. Anyway, people, let's start giving an update what I'm going with dancer pop star Queen Shenseea, you know. People, them might beat her over the Shade Room and all like tone, you see me? But anyway, let's proceed. And boy, people, put in the comment section, this just turned out to a Shenseea review. And I didn't plan it, you feel I'm saying? But it has been brought to my attention that Shenseea says she prefers to be in a relationship with a black man. Dark skin, to be exact. Put in the comment section if you think Shenseea is lying based off of her baby father and Big Meech, a.k.a. Dressmaker Boy, because one a light skin and one a Indian, you know. You see me, I say, boy, and you know what they said. Out of Shenseea's old mouth, she says that Raj do not like dark-skinned women. He thinks that they're ugly. You know, seen. So we need to know what is really going on with Shenseea, because she also made this comment, it's better to be alone than to be with someone who makes you feel lonely. Boy, people may tell you that London on the Track is not claiming Shenseea publicly, you know. Jada Kingdom, I get claim Spice, I get claim Candy, I get claim Mackerel, I get claim Havani, did I get claim a rascal, you see my answer. But anyway, we don't want to long that review any longer, you know, people. Don't forget to hit the like button 1,000 times and share the video 1,000,001. I try to reach broader audience. I need your help in doing so, you see me, I said. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I drop the latest and dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.